Okay, so to prepare for our analysis test, you're going to be expected to do an extended response, and we've covered this in class, of an analysis of theme or symbolism. To do so, you need to, as we've been talking over and over again, look at the repetition, look at detailed description in the text. I'm giving an example from the Outsiders, where we talk about dawn, and gold is mentioned over and over again in a text to describe a sunrise. It gives you a very positive connotation. It uses description and imagery. By using the word dawn, I'm thinking symbolic. What I know from the past is it's new beginning. It's very positive. Gold, it keeps saying gold and golden. I know that the trade of gold is valuable, precious metal. I think that maybe, dawn is the beginning and precious. It might be like hope for something valuable in the future or at the beginning of something. It could be change, that it brings about change. I'm not sure it's the beginning of the book, but I'm at least putting that in. Down below, then, it mentions gold again. Nature's first green is gold. Green normally symbolizes youth, sometimes money, but and it also, gold again, valuable. Then I've noticed on page 178, later it repeats in detail gold and dawn and green again, and sunsets and dawn, gold. Again, new beginnings with dawn, gold, very valuable. This time it's adding more description about being young and keeping a new day, keeping it like it's a new day. The way he likes sunsets, stay golden, valuable, and kids are young. So I put it all together. When I put it together, it's very similar to the 5. I've added a plus, sentence analysis, because I'm asking for 2 examples from the text to be analyzed. So you're going to start with the topic sentence, you're going to show the evidence, explain in general how the device works, and then you're going to explain and connect the device, all the specific words from the text, with the characteristics or literal meaning, and then connect and explain your thought process to the inferences you make about theme or symbolism. We've done this over and over again in class, and I have other examples in Google Classroom. Then it repeats. Now, it repeats again, evidence, device, because I asked for a second piece of evidence, and then an explanation at the very end, a summary. So I have an example. It's lengthy, and it's primarily lengthy because I chose such large quotes. Starts with the topic sentence. You can read the quote. You can see I explain in general how it works. And then the analysis piece of, by repeating the word gold, one knows that gold is valuable, and by describing the dawn as a new start and gold, the combination of these 2 leads to the inference that dawn symbolizes a valuable new beginning, which leads to the theme of hope in each new day. And then I say later, which is a transition. I say the next piece of evidence, say how that evidence, the device, worked in general, compare and contrast, and then I explain here as well. And I've also linked a copy of this slide to you so you have it to peruse at your own leisure.